Hey, guess what?
Hey, what is it?
We're gonna get some exercise today.
What?
It's true, but indoors a little too much. We're gonna walk on a treadmill.
I don't know how.
Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you. So here we go. It's Mr. Adam and Pepe the pig on a treadmill.
Whoa, we're moving.
You're right, we are moving. And this one is going a little slow. We need to go a little faster. So here we go. We're gonna ramp it up a little bit.
Whoa, we're moving.
You're right. A treadmill gets you some exercise when you walk or run in the same place. And as I'm doing this, it's gonna feel good. I'm gonna get some exercise for my legs, gonna let my lungs feel good, gonna move my arms, maybe even listen to some music, and then try not to fall off when I'm talking to you guys.
That would be a little silly.
It would be a little silly. So right now, this is a little treadmill action.
How far are we going to go?
Well, let's do it a little bit for the video for everybody, but this is what's walking on a treadmill. It's actually really nice. It feels good.
I'm not getting as much exercise.
Oh, that's right. All right, we'll move you around a little bit.
This is good. Whoa. What do all the buttons do?
Well, some of them can make the treadmill go up higher, and so it can incline. If we do that, it gets really tall, and then I have to work a little bit harder to stay on the incline.
Okay, this is kind of cool.
I think it is kind of cool. And I'm getting a little tall for the screen over there.
Cool.
All right. We're gonna stop, pause, and come back.
That's walking on a treadmill.
I feel good.
I do too. Hey, kids, get some exercise today. It feels really, really good.